Welcome to the 8th lesson in measurement for the CSEC mathematics series. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to calculate the volume of solids such as prisms, cubes, cylinders, pyramids, cones, and spheres. Let me start by reminding you we defined the volume in a previous lesson, so there's no need to revisit its meaning or usefulness. All the relevant shapes were also introduced and illustrated yesterday. Therefore, in this lesson, we'll focus on providing the formulas for the specific shapes required for CSEC mathematics, along with related examples. The first formula we'll look at is the volume for a prism, which is area of the base multiplied by the height. Let's try this example. We're required to calculate the volume of a triangular base prism with a base of 10 centimeters, height of 5 centimeters, and a length of 7 centimeters. First, I'll draw a diagram. Next, we work out the volume. The next shape we'll look at is a cube. For cubes, we can use the formula for the prism, but since all sides are equal, we can use side cube to get its volume. Let's try this example. Now let's work out the volume. The next shape we'll look at is a cylinder. We can also use the prism formula for a cylinder. As you can see, this part here is the formula for the area of the circle. So, area of the circular base times the height will give us the volume for the cylinder. Let's try this example. We're required to calculate the volume of a cylinder with a radius of 3 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. First, I'll draw a shape. Now we'll work out the volume. The next shape we'll look at is a right pyramid. And this formula works for any right pyramid. As long as you can calculate the area of its base and know the height from the center of the base to the apex, you can use this formula. Let's look at this example. We're required to calculate the volume of a right square pyramid with a base edge of 6 meters and a height of 9 meters. Let's work out the volume. Next formula is that for a cone. Notice it's the exact same formula. We just substitute the area part with this. Now from this point on, I'll keep it silent when it comes to the example solutions. So let's look at this. Calculate the volume of a cone with radius 4 centimeters and height 9 centimeters. Next, we're looking at a sphere. So we take the radius, we cube it, and we multiply it by 4 times pi over 3. All right, very simple. Let's do this example to show you how it works. All right, and that's it. Today we covered volume formulas for key 3D shapes in CSEC mathematics. For prisms, we multiply the base area by the height. For a cube, we use the side length cubed. For cylinders, we follow the same prism formulas, but with a circular base. For right pyramids and cones, we use 1/3 the base area times the height, and with cones having a circular base. Finally, the spheres require the radius cubed multiplied by 4 pi over 3. Thank you for joining me in today's lesson on volume. In the next lesson, we'll learn about speed. Feel free to leave any questions, comments below, and don't forget to join the Google Classroom for the series resources. See you in the next lesson. Bye.